Release your hands for me, please.
Can I?
No, you
I
cannot.
need my phone.
You cannot leave your phone right this second.
At least I need my phone.
Double lock these so don't tighten up on you, okay? So your first name is... Did I read that correctly?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you can magically read my registration. I will let you.
Okay.
A traffic stop in Washington State. 1 driver, 2 criminal charges, 0 cooperation. Here's what the law says about every decision made in the next 8 minutes.
And do you have your driver's license? Do you have a Washington driver's license?
I was trying to dig for it.
Okay, but is it issued out of Washington State?
Correct.
Okay, what's your last name?
Can I try and do one thing at a time so I can look for the thing?
Okay, well, right now I have probable cause to arrest you for reckless driving. Okay, so what I'm trying to make this is yes, double the speed limit is prima facie for reckless driving. Okay, I'm trying to avoid that, but
There's part number 1.
thank you. Well, I mean, I can run to verify, make sure it's verified. I just need your last name, first name, middle initial, and date of birth.
I mean, I have my insurance.
Well, I need to check out, make sure we have valid insurance as well. But what is your last name?
I was trying to find.
I'm asking you what your last name is.
It's literally spelled right
Okay.
there on the registration.
Right now, you're not free to leave. I need you to step out of the vehicle. Nope. We're beyond this. I need you to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
I'm just trying to help
Nope.
you not have
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm
Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest.
Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest. Come on.
I'm literally just telling you my
Okay,
last
I
name.
understand. I understand that. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now. Back here, please. Okay, right now you are not free to leave, like I said.
I'm literally
Okay.
trying to help you.
No, you're not.
And tell you that my
I
name is spelled on my registration.
And I'm asking you
so
what
we
your
don't
last
have
name
to go
is.
in circles. With
You're making us go in circles right now.
No, you're not listening to me.
No, I am listening.
telling
You're
you-
giving me attitude.
I'm not giving you an attitude. I'm telling you that I don't want to go in circles trying to repeat myself.
Sure, but
so
we are.
I can, because you're interrupting me and not listening to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm trying to tell you that my name is spelled on my registration so that we don't have to go in circles and repeat the same thing 12 times.
Okay, well,
My
I'm gonna
last
tell you.
name is. You want to keep playing these games with each other?
Do you want to keep playing these games with each other right now? I've been doing this job for 11 years, and I always ask people what their last name is and to spell it for them.
I'm trying to keep you from having to go in circles. I just spelled my name for you. I told you where it's at on the paper. I don't know why you're acting like this.
So I'm trying to figure out why you're acting like this.
I'm not acting like anything. I'm answering your questions. You just don't like me.
That's not the case at all.
You've already made the decision that you don't like me.
Yep, okay, well, right now you are under arrest for reckless driving. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, you're gonna act like this. That's fine.
Release your hands for me, please.
Can I?
No, you
I
cannot.
need my phone.
You cannot leave your phone right this second.
At least I need my phone.
Double lock these so don't tighten up on you, okay? So your first name is... Did I read that correctly?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you can magically read my registration. I would love for you.
Okay, awesome. Well, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you on a written question if you
I
wish.
can't because I have an eviction
You can
notice.
just-
I'm homeless right now.
You can decide. Okay. So, that being said, you said you...
That being said, lawyer.
Okay, then we're going to tow the car. So,
No, he can drive it.
well, you invoked. I'm not going to ask you any more questions. Can we verify he's got a valid driver's license?
Not a
80 and a 40. 80
Yeah.
and a 40. There was pedestrian traffic up there. So, prima facie, double, automatic, reckless. Cool. So, yeah.
The radar clocked 81 in a 40. That single number triggered Washington's reckless driving statute. The law does not require intent. It does not require an accident. Double the speed limit is a statutory bright line. That is prima facie reckless driving, meaning the evidence and its face is legally sufficient to support the charge. The deputy verbalized probable cause within 30 seconds. Under the Fourth Amendment, that declaration creates a contemporaneous evidentiary record on Bodycam. Once probable cause is stated and the arrest is announced, the stop is no longer investigative. It is custodial. The driver is not free to leave. Arguing about the sequence of questions carries no legal weight. Then the second deputy ran the license. Result: suspended. third degree under Washington's suspended license statute. Third-degree suspension in Washington is a criminal misdemeanor, not a civil infraction. A separate count with its own penalty, reckless driving, up to 364 days and a $5,000 fine. Suspended license, up to 90 days and a $1,000 fine. 2 charges, both criminal, both established before the driver said a word.
We keep playing these games with each other. I literally was trying to tell him my name, and he decides to put me under arrest for trying to tell him my name.
Okay.
That's totally logical. Yeah, totally logical.
Okay. She's also suspended with
I'm not a she. Don't call me she.
Well, I apologize if I offend you. What would you prefer me to call you?
My pronouns are they, them.
Okay.
Don't call me she.
Okay.
It says it right on my driver's license. Gender X.
Gotcha. Tracking. So also your license is suspended third degree, which is an additional crime. Okay. That being said, I have a backseat full of stuff for the range.
I can do it.
No transport. I'll
Yeah.
meet you down there. You'll have a court date tomorrow. Your first appearance tomorrow, and then bail, bond, release, whatever the judge decides. So, but you've got your phone. We'll take the phone with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle that you would like to go?
You're not gonna let me have anything I need.
Well, if you have medications or anything like
You're
that.
not gonna let me take my medication. I've been over this 100 different times.
And-
We're not having this conversation.
Perfect. Okay, then the
It is my life, but you guys don't let me take it. So
Have you ever been booked at the Kentucky County Jail before?
no one will ever let me take my medication
What are they, if you don't mind me
because it is
asking?
a controlled substance.
Okay.
Because it is prescribed.
Girl?
Jails will let me have
Okay.
it.
If it's prescribed, they can take it.
Nope.
Okay.
No jails have ever let me have it.
Is that the only medication that you take that's prescribed to you?
correct?
Okay. Are you going to withdraw from anything?
No. What do you
No drugs or alcohol?
Standard questions we always ask.
Like, you're not going to let me have my ass anyway, so...
I
like, there's
tried
no-
giving you an opportunity and you've been telling us
I've
no
been
this
in
whole
this
time.
circle so many times.
You've never been booked at Kentucky
I've
County
been
Jail,
in this
though.
circle so many times.
Alright. Sounds good. Come with me.
I've not completed a search yet. I'm going to talk with
Okay.
him real quick.
Do you want to take her phone?
Yep, thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be disrespectful in any way. Trust me, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to you.
Y'all have already been disrespectful by saying I'm being weird trying to help me spell my name. Like,
I wasn't here for any of that.
Y'all want to sass me?
Okay.
Whatever.
Hang tight right here. I do
Just
gotta.
send me on my way.
Nope. You've been arrested a lot?
No, because cops just love to be fucking pissy.
Have I been pissy with you?
He was.
I haven't been, though.
He's telling me I'm being a problem. And he's answering questions.
Okay. Well, I haven't. I don't even know you from a hole in the wall, right? Okay, so I nothing to disrespect you. I don't think. I'm trying not to.
I have shoes and clothes.
You want a bra right now?
I have a sports bra on.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna turn face the car right here. Body cams are on, just so you know.
So, do you go by or is there a name you prefer?
You can call me
Okay,
in these circles.
I'm just asking, right? So,
I'm not going to be friends with you. You've been hissy with me the whole time.
I apologize you feel that way. But because of the amount of paperwork that we have at corrections, is this a good mailing address at all?
I told you I'm literally getting evicted. I'm homeless as of tomorrow.
Because some people have PO boxes
I'm
where they
homeless
receive
as of
mail.
tomorrow.
Okay, so if I'm going to put this on the paperwork.
Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead. I don't have money. I'm getting evicted because I'm disabled and can't get a job.
So she's getting arrested, okay, for reckless driving. Do you have a valid license so we can take a look at it? You sure can. Guns, knives, things like that? Not gonna try to assault me at all?
Nope.
Okay. Standard questions, man. You've been cool with me. I don't know you, just showed up, right?
Yes.
Just check this real quick. She got a valid license. As far as I understand, she said you can drive the car away, so we have to tow it.
Gotcha. Okay. Am I able to drive it?
What's that?
Am I able to
I'm
drive it?
gonna check your license real quick and
okay,
see
yeah,
you're valid. If you can, then yeah, we have to tow it, right? Makes sense?
Oh, that's where it is.
I mean, I apologize if I offended her, but I'm like, I've been doing this for 11 years, and I always ask people to spell their last name for me, so it is what it is, right? So I'm coming around, go to the range. I mean, she's scooting. Hit the radar, got it 79, peaked to 81, right over here on University. Like, going down towards...
Towards the goose?
Yeah, towards the goose.
Okay.
So, yep, flipped around. It took me till here to catch up.
Dang.
So it took her a few seconds to pull over, window down, yay much.
Right.
I'm like, hey, do you have your license on you? I'm looking for it. I'm like, hey, can you spell your last name for me? One thing at a time. You're just chipping at me the whole time. So I'm like, we're not playing this.
The driver invoked counsel mid-stop, one word, lawyer. Under Miranda versus Arizona, as clarified in Burguis versus Tompkins, invocation must be unambiguous. It was. The deputy immediately ceased questioning. That is textbook compliance with the invocation rule. The driver kept talking. That is their right. But volunteered statements not elicited by questioning are not protected by Miranda and remain fully admissible. Grades. The deputy gets an A. Probable cause documented on camera. Arrest clearly announced. No escalation under sustained verbal pressure. Counsel invocation honored immediately. Under Graham versus Connor, every decision here is objectively reasonable given what the officer knew at the time. The driver gets a D, 81 and a 40. Suspended license. Refused identification from a lawfully arresting officer. The Fifth Amendment does not protect against providing your name during a lawful arrest. It protects against self-incriminating testimony. Those are different things. The argument produced nothing useful. It produced a documented record of non-cooperation, visible at the arraignment the next morning. One lesson from this stop: when an officer announces probable cause and arrest, the conversation is over. The charges are set. Invoking counsel stops questioning, it does not remove. Charges already supported by independent evidence. And a suspended license is not a paperwork problem. In Washington, it is a criminal count that runs alongside everything else. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam legal analysis. Drop a comment, 2 charges. Documented non-cooperation. What should the sentence be? We'll see you in the next one.